I love myself a good hot dog, and today we're gonna give it some buffalo wing style toppings. First off, you gotta barbecue yourself your favorite hot dog wieners, and then once they're cooked, we can start on the toppings. You're gonna make a quick coleslaw with some coleslaw mix, blue cheese dressing, and then toss it together with some grated Parmesan cheese and some finely chopped green onion. To assemble the hot dog, I'm going to start with a brioche style hot dog bun and then place some of the coleslaw in there with the wiener and then some finely chopped celery pieces and some red onion. Can't forget that delicious buffalo sauce. And that's all it takes to make buffalo wing style hot dogs that everyone will definitely enjoy. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com, and thank you to Social Made Local for this super comfy main character energy t-shirt. Make sure to find the link for it down below.